SD Kelly here, and I'm going to show you some really neat illumination projects that you can make really easily with some Dollar Tree products right here. I am just wrapping some cellophane gift bag wrapping around some Dollar Tree vases. I had put glass gems in them to hold weight, and I'm just tying it down with some black nylon twine that you can get at Dollar Tree as well. Now for outside lighting, you can put the part of the solar lights that you can take apart and stick through the top. It'll look really cute when the trick-or-treaters arrive at your door. An alternative for indoor lighting would be to take one of these Christmas tree icicles that light up and just put it in there. And try not to be distracted by my cat. I know he's cute and everything, but he's showing off. Another option from my lighting or miscellaneous lighting bin is this wand I got from Dollar Tree. It has various blink modes, but I'm not going to demonstrate that here in the video for the safety of certain viewers. So here I just unraveled some hair donuts that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I only needed less than one. And I'm taking some plastic spiders that I took off some floral bouquets. And I'm just sticking their legs inside the mesh. Just lift it up a little bit and stick them in there. It's really that easy. And of course these candles came from the Dollar Tree as well. Here's another one I made using some tree branches that I took off of a Gothic floral bouquet. You may recognize these from another video that I've done that has to do with a Halloween garland. Now this one is probably the easiest one ever. The finishing touch that I'm going to use is going to be this twine that I looped through a bead. Okay, still waiting for it to show up. There it is. All I did was loop it through, going in at opposite directions. Then you can pull it tight. I tied knots on the end to keep it from going all the way through. And that will be the finishing touch. Now I'm just cutting the bottom off of this cellophane bag. And I'm finding the seams. One side has some lettering, some tiny lettering, so I'm going to be sure not to include that in the final piece. So I'm going to cut that side off. I'm going to trim it down so that it wraps around evenly, and then I'm just going to tape it down. Really an easy peasy last minute Halloween decor. As always, I thank you for watching my videos. If I've inspired you in some way to create something, then by all means, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Bye for now.